Are we recording? Oh, welcome back to another video with me, William Wang, and today we'll be talking about what is a sneaker game and how do people make money off sneakers. This is going to be like a really simple explanation of everything, so I'm not going to go too in depth in everything else, so let's quickly get right into the video. So in their sneaker game, there's this thing called what we call sneaker reselling. So what is sneaker reselling? Basically, when a shoe comes out, where sneaker resellers will get it for a cheaper price, or the original price, the retail price. Let's say the retail price is $100, and later on they will resell the shoes to somebody else for more money. Let's say like $200, and in between you will make that $80 profit. I'll give you guys a live example. For example, right now I currently have their Yeezy creams right here. So these are the Yeezy creams right here. The retail price is $240, and now the resale price is at about $250. So in between you'll make about a $200 profit. And here we have another pair of Yeezys, which are the Yeezy Zebras. These are the Yeezy Zebras right here, and you will also get these for about $240 retail price, but the resale is at about $550 to $600, which you will make about a $300 profit compared to the Yeezy Creams, which when you will make about a $200 profit. So yeah, basically that is how sneaker resellers make money. They get it for a retail price, and later on they sell it for more at a resale price, and they make the price difference in between, which is the profit that they make. So here comes the next topic. How do you know if a sneaker is going to resell or not? How do you know if it has a resale value or it doesn't have a resale value? Because if you guys didn't know, not every shoe has resale value. Like for example, the Yeezys, they usually have really high resale value, but a lot of times shoes does not have a resale value, or they have like a $20 resale value, $30 resale value, which is a lot lower compared to the Yeezys, which have like $200, $300, some even over thousands of dollars of resale value. So now I'm going to explain on why a sneaker will resell. So we go back to a simple supply and demand. Supply is basically the stock number of the shoes. How many of these shoes are produced? And the second factor is obviously demand. Is there demand on the shoe? And then in sneaker terms, most people will call is there hype on this shoe? So there's a few reasons on what will affect the hype on the shoe, and let me go through them right now for you guys. Reason number one, do people find this shoe appealing? If majority of people find this shoe appealing, the hype will start building up. Reason number two, if the stock is low on the shoe. Yes, so hype is tied into stock. If the stock is lower, the hype goes up too because of the shoe being more limited, and people love limited things. A good example of a shoe being limited causing it to have more hype and more resale value will be the Yeezy semi-yellows, which I have back here. As you guys can see, those are Yeezy semi-yellows, and I don't really feel like walking there to get them, so as you guys can see, we have the Yeezy semi-yellows with us now over here. And let me quickly, these are the Yeezy semi-yellows right here. I know, not the most appealing shoes. This is the first time you have seen it. At first I thought they were super ugly, and I was like, I'm never going to ever want to wear this shoe. But then once the news came out, these are the most limited V2 Yeezys. I was like, wow, like, nope, they're so ugly. But eventually they start growing on me, and now, personally, I do think these are pretty nice. Reason number three, if a celebrity wears a shoe. The best example will be Kanye West.
I love your work. I love your work. I appreciate it, but don't talk. I love your work though. I don't want.
Every time Kanye wears something, everybody just goes crazy over that shoe or whatever clothing that is, and they want that too. Show you guys the power of Kanye. If you guys don't know what these are right here, these are the Yeezy Wave Runners. At first, I thought these were the most hideous shoe ever, and most people would agree with me, but Kanye started wearing it, and the hype just started going up, and now they have an insane amount of resale value. And personally, I would wear a pair of those now. Fourth reason is if the shoe has been out for a long time, it has a sentimental value, and most people will say if the shoe is like an OG colorway. A good example would be a shoe that's coming out lately, which are the black cement 3s that looks like this right here. I will get my pair in a few days. Pretty excited to see them in hand. The shoe originally came out in the late 1980s, and they're releasing it again in 2018. Despite it having a really huge stock number, most likely it will still have resale value because it is an OG colorway. So that basically explains on why certain shoe has more resale value and why certain shoe has less resale value. It goes into hype and stock number. So if you guys ask me what is more important, stock or hype, most likely I would say stock is more important than hype still, because a good example would be the Yeezy Power Phase, which looks like this right here. These shoes, when they first came out, the retail price was $120, and they were reselling for $800. It was insane.
What?
Then they decide to re-release these shoes, and then the resales start dropping like crazy because more of these shoes are produced and they're not that rare anymore. And now the resale value is at about $220 compared to $800. And originally the price was dipping so low, they were at about $160. So that basically all sums up like the really basic of the sneaker game. I went through why sneaker resells and why certain shoe has more value. Let me know if you guys have other sneaker related questions. I'll try to answer them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and remember to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what I can do better, and I'll see you guys in the next one.